YouTube, it's your girl Green. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing another cooking video. It is Sunday, and I know that I'm probably doing this video a little bit late, y'all, so my bad. But I'm actually doing the New Year's soup today. So if you guys know about the New Year's soup, and I know, like I said, I'm doing it a little bit late. Don't judge me, y'all, but it seems like it looked really, really good. And I was like, shoot, I want to try it. Had I known about it for New Year's, it would have been the New Year's, of course, New Year's dinner. However, we are doing the sausage. So I like sausage with a spice. It says to just get smoked sausage, regular smoked sausage, but I like the Cajun blend because it has a kick. So we have our sausage cooking. It also requires some chicken stock, some rotel tomatoes, and then I have my black eyed peas over here. So, and then also you need collard greens as well for this dinner. I was out of collard greens. I actually thought that the collard greens that I had was going to be good. Took them out, opened them, you guys. They were not good, so I had to order more collard greens. They are on the way. I would have had them by now if I could get out of my driveway to go get them. Your girl is snowed in. I don't know if you guys can see that big old block of snow at the edge of the driveway. It has warmed up. It has, but I'm still kind of snowed in. So it's melting. So hopefully it'll be enough for me to get out the driveway for tomorrow. Just gotta get TK to school. But so far that is what it's looking like for me to be stuck in this doggone driveway. These sausages smell so good. So you just cook the sausage a little bit, and then my greens should be here shortly, and then we assemble them in the crock pot, which I'm ready to do, y'all. So I'm going to wait till the greens get here, and I will be back to check in with y'all so we can finish the rest of this video. All right, y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I always re-rinse any type of green because, like, you never know about how clean they are. So rinse these greens, and then I'm gonna get my strainer out and pour them in the strainer to get off the excess water. But these are the greens, you guys. I did not know that I could buy greens chopped already. This just saved me so much time. All right, guys, we are back. So, like, I had to let the greens cook down some. So now I'm gonna add my sausage in. And I'm just gonna add that juice in from the sausage as well. Could add some extra flavor, who knows. We also have to add in some garlic. I had to open up my other garlic because this one is completely gone. Alright, that might be enough. I don't know. I'm a big fan of garlic, y'all. Salt and pepper on here. But I'm going to season it like I would season if I was making some greens. So we're going to add some more garlic in. Bruh. You know what? My mom actually got some fresh garlic that I could have used. I did not think about that. I had this the whole time. I guess I'll use it for something else. So it only called for salt and pepper. I personally need an onion in my greens. You would think that the fact that I wear glasses, you guys, I would be protected from onion juice, but no, I'm not at all. So I just try to make the onion cut as quick as possible. And throw that bad boy in there. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. I believe this is probably not to be one of those times that it doesn't, because I'm starting to feel. Alright, now we're going to season the heck out of this. We need our Slap Your Mama. We are going to need some onion salt. Oh, that was garlic. Now we need onion salt. Roasted garlic and herb. Some pepper. It's still one that's missing. Some garlic powder. Garlic and onion powder. Alright, y'all. So we got some onion powder. You're going to add some apple cider vinegar. And we're going to add some tomato paste. They're not burning like they should be. So that was a success. And cutting the onion and cutting it fast. I'm going to use this whole can. I did not know I needed tomato paste, y'all. Because I need tomato paste for my spaghetti too. But I guess I'm about to be making my spaghetti without tomato paste later in the week. I told y'all I've gotten into making homemade spaghetti sauce, and I am literally never going back. Never going. Up a little bit, just a little. Still keep some of the tomato juice. Alright, we're gonna throw those in. This is full again. Alright, y'all. I did not realize that this was gonna be this freaking big. Whew. We're gonna put the top back on and I will be back. Alright, y'all, this is the end result. I did still let it cook because the beans, I like the beans a little bit more tender than what they are right now. So it's still in here cooking. But this is the end result, you guys. It took forever. So one thing that I definitely will remember the next time that I make this little soup is to start it early, because these beans take forever. It's not the greens. The greens are done. The beans are not as good as I want it to be right now. So they're not as soft and tender. So I'm going to leave this on until I actually get ready to go to bed. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to turn it off. But yeah, you guys, I was a little upset that the fact that it is now going on 9:30 and these beans are still not soft, and I started cooking this around 2. So yeah, that's the problem for me. That's the problem for me. But I'm about to eat this video, and until next time, you guys, see ya.